Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I told you I was going to take you along the ride for my health journey. So I just got my 1 month supply box of food. Let's see what's in here. So I'm wearing the clothes that I wore for my first picture, my before picture, hopefully. This is a shirt that I really like to wear, but it's obviously tight. This is the real me. I have no makeup on. I woke up, I put these clothes on, took my before picture, weighed myself, and I'm ready to go on my health journey. So this is what I look like. So please don't change the channel. So we're gonna open this box. This is actually a 1 month supply from Optavia, and hopefully I'm pronouncing it right. But it's a meal plan whereby you eat 6 times a day, but 5 of the meals are provided in this box for a whole month. And then you eat 1 lean and green meal, which is super easy. And I'm all about super easy. I'm not a fan of cooking. I'm not a fan of meal prepping, none of that stuff. And so I wanna be able to do something quick and fast and easy. And for you guys out there, especially some of my reseller fans, quick and easy is what we like. And so let's see what's in here. I actually started my journey. I weighed myself. 178.6 is what I currently weigh. I know I'm a woman telling you my weight. That's crazy. But that's what I weigh. My goal is to get down to 140, which is what I was when I was first married. And so I'm hoping to get down to that. So let's see what's in here. Okay. So my husband's already on the plan and he's already lost a bunch of weight. And so this is one thing that he uses a lot. The Optavia guide, it tells you all the different measurements for lean and green. Like when you're eating your chicken meals, you can have 6 ounces of cooked chicken weight. That's after you cook it, which actually is a lot better than before cooked. A before cooked chicken weight is kind of like a piece this big of 6 ounces of chicken. And after cooked chicken weight, if you've watched my other videos with my brother-in-law, James, who is my health coach, a real person, check those out. I've got some on health coach and healthy eating and things like that. So I'll try to tag his information down in the description so that you can get a hold of him if you'd like him to be your coach, because he's an awesome guy. Anyway, this, like the cooked chicken that I was talking about, is almost 2 full-size chicken breasts. And I have pictures of that on my other videos. So this I'm excited to have. And then here is my list of things that I order. Now, this is a box. There are a few different kinds of boxes you can get. My husband bought the grab and go box, which is mostly shakes and mostly bars and like cruncher packs and things like that, which are kind of like bags of chips type of things. I bought one that entails a little bit more meal prep since I work from home. The only thing that's different is you just need to be close to a microwave or maybe a faucet to just add water. And so I bought those kinds of things, but I did add some things that I knew that I already liked because I had tasted them from my husband's stuff. So I got to pick 5 items out of this box and everything else is predetermined. And the reason they do that is you may not think you like it, but believe me, some of the things that I didn't think I would like, I think I'm gonna like. Here's my shaker bottle with a little mixer in there for any of my shakes. Let's see what we got here. I have got golden chocolate chip pancakes. I'm gonna eat me some pancakes and lose me some weight. These are called Fuelings. You eat these 5 times a day. And so I have actually already eaten mashed potatoes from my husband's box, so I'll have to trade him something. This is a silky peanut butter and chocolate chip bar. I've heard nothing but fantastic things about this. My husband loves them to death. This is chewy chocolate chip cookie. And so this would be the one thing that you get to eat. Here, I'll kind of give you an idea. Like the cookie, you get to actually microwave it. You stick it in there and then microwave it so you're eating a warm, moist cookie. How awesome is that? I've got chocolate chip mint cookie crisp. So these are a lot different than what my husband got in his box. So decadent double chocolate brownie. And I know my husband wouldn't have gotten one of these because he hates brownies. I know, it's weird. All right. Caramel macchiato shake. This was one I specifically chose because I love me some caramel macchiato. So, chocolate fudge pudding. Creamy double peanut butter crisp bar. Let's see. Caramel delight crisp bar. Hopefully I'm not going too fast. Cranberry honey nut granola bar. So as you can see, there's a bunch of different drizzled chocolate fudge crisp. So, I mean, as I'm reading these off, these sound fantastic. Like, I'm super excited. Creamy vanilla shake. According to my husband, these taste like birthday cake. They don't taste like typical vanilla. They taste like birthday cake. Here is a wild strawberry shake. And these are just to add water. You don't add milk or anything to them, which is actually a good thing for me because I have a little bit of issue with some dairy products and I don't seem to have any issue. I tried a chocolate shake from my husband's box and I don't seem to have any issues with those. This is a raisin oat cinnamon crisp. Then I chose these. These are, they have a different brand because they just rebranded, but these are cheese pizza bites. And their little like bag of snack things. So what you're gonna do is you eat these and then you drink water between the meals and then you pick when you wanna eat your green meal. Rustic tomato and herb penne. So basically a noodle soup. Let me see, honey mustard and onion sticks. Zesty cheddar and Italian herb crunchers. Let's see, red berry crunchy O's cereal. And those are, I think they come in a bag. They taste like strawberry Cheerios. Creamy chocolate shake. The home style chicken flavored and vegetable noodle soup. And last but not least, the roasted garlic and creamy smashed potatoes, which is what I ate this morning out of my husband's box. And it actually was really good. I liked it. So you can eat potatoes and chips and all that stuff on this meal. So this is 1 month's worth of food. So it's 5 fuelings a day. I think it has your starter box has a few extras in it when you first start, but it also usually comes with 2 large manuals of books. I did not have to order those because my husband had already ordered them, but it always comes with this Optavia guide. So that you can know this. That's kind of a quick and handy, okay, how many vegetables can I have and what are the vegetables that I can have? But the one thing that's really cool is my brother-in-law, James, he sends you a couple of different charts and stuff that lists every vegetable known to man on it. And he can Facebook that to you or email that to you and you get a whole list of different vegetables you can have and like what's appropriate to eat in the green meal and how much and all of that kind of stuff. So, if you're interested in this, you know, I'm going to have you follow my journey, but if you're interested in doing this yourself, please give him a call. It's not really too bad at all to purchase this box. And then, you know, give it 1 month and see how well you do. But today is day 1 for me. Like I said, I weigh 178.6, which some of you may seem like a low number. Some of you, it may seem like a high number, but it's where I'm at now. And the biggest reason when he asks me questions, because he does an initial consultation with you, when he asked me questions, my biggest thing was, yes, losing weight would be an awesome benefit, but I want to have energy. And that was my biggest thing that I would like to have is energy and motivation to do more. And so that's my biggest goal. It's not necessarily seeing the scale move, although I hope that that happens. But my biggest goal is to have more energy so that I can be more active just in my lifestyle in general. So that's my unboxing of my Optavia first month on my health journey. And I'll give you play-by-play as we go along the way. I will tell you the struggles and the things like, and the easy parts and the hard parts and all of that in between. And I hope this has been helpful. And, you know, please encourage me if you can. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.